inside. I just finished a test drive. I locked the keys in the car. All right, what's the key code? I don't remember it. Mike's gonna kill me. I don't know what to do.
Steve, what's going on?
Eddie, what's going on, man? I locked the keys in the car. I forgot the key code. How do I get in here?
Why don't you just use FordPass, man?
What's FordPass again?
FordPass is where you can actually unlock and lock your doors all from your phone.
Oh, yeah, I think this is
Let me show you.
So FordPass, here's the app for FordPass. I'm just gonna click on it. The first button says vehicle controls, so I'm gonna click on that. And now I can unlock, lock, and remote start the vehicle. Can you hold on to unlock for me, Eddie?
Right there.
Okay, and it usually takes a few seconds and the vehicle shall unlock. So let's go over and see if this works. From satellites, it'll take a few seconds. It's unlocked.
There you go, Steve.
I can get in. Mike's not going to kill me for losing the key. Come on in and see Eddie and Steve at Beyer Ford in Morristown and come check out our technology.